when I saw the video, I ignored it because I just looked at him, di ba? When I saw the video, I was like, "Ngek." And then I looked at him, like, what's this? And then I ignored it. And parang tumawa lang siya. Pinagtawanan lang namin. What bothered me is finding out that it was done on purpose, that the person in the video was the one that posted it. That's what bothered me because then you just created something super unnecessary.
Right.
So, yeah, because in terms of what people think he was doing or his intentions were, that doesn't matter to him, I guess, because the only opinion that matters to him is mine. Hindi naman niya asawa yung mga tao na yan.
Right.
And iba-iba naman talaga tayo. Ako kasi talagang, I don't believe in taking possession over my partner. Like, it's still his life and he can do what he wants. Alam ko yung mga bagay na alam ko yung itsura kung sinasaktan ako or may ginagawa para masaktan. Alam ko, kasi I trust.